Holy Mary Mother of Notches went Mission Impossible with some stories of a full Google Pixel 3 shipment getting stolen, warranting the leaks. The LG V40 catches on the latest tendencies with the notch and more cameras, and ZTE is reportedly finally bringing a successor to the Axon 7, hopefully for IFA. I'm Jaime Rivera, and for those of you that wanted Q&As, we just begun one in Instagram stories in the Pocketnow account. We started with the Galaxy Watch. Everything you want to know, follow us there. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. There are now buy one get one free deals on AT&T for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Obviously, there are some conditions. It depends on the installment plan. It depends on the fact that you first have to get the Galaxy Note 9 and then you don't necessarily get another Galaxy Note 9, or there are options depending on your eligibility. You can learn more about everything in the description. Now let's talk about Motorola and tendencies as nostalgia. We've seen companies focusing on foldable displays as their next big thing. Now we've got a patent from Motorola that shows us the possible successor to the Razr, but not the Razr Android phone that many of us didn't really like. This is actually a foldable clamshell-like Razr like back in the day. If that actually ever does happen, that's going to be, I would say, cool, but there's only one way to find out. Now let's talk about ZTE, as apparently the company is already working for its successor to the Axon 7. We didn't get an Axon 8, and then we had a whole political mess that recently happened. Now we hear that the company might be gearing up for a launch at IFA with the Axon 9. It seems that the number is going to be 9. There's only one way to find out as well. We'll be at IFA covering everything live and keep you posted. Now let's talk about LG and the V40. For those of you wondering exactly what this powerhouse is going to bring, the rumors, according to some renders, are that it's getting a notch. It's going to look like the G7, which is kind of unfortunate. I liked the screen on the V30 as it was. But then we also hear that it's going to get more cameras. We're hearing 5 cameras, 2 at the front, 3 at the back. What are these cameras going to do? That's going to be a huge question. Just stay tuned. And finally, the hot Mission Impossible style news have to do with the Google Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL. We've been scratching our heads over the leaks, exactly trying to understand if these are controlled or not. As it turns out, it seems that there was a full shipment of phones stolen, that they were being sold in the black market in Russia for $2,000. But wait, there's more. It gets better. And that this is the reason why we're getting these phones in Canada, and that is the reason why the leaks are probably credible. What I don't understand is why. I mean, if you're willing to pay $2,000 for this phone, it's because you know what you're getting here. So why aren't there any leaks showing us the phone? Hey, I've got a Pixel 3 here, from all the people that I know would chime in on the fact that they have one. Whatever the case may be, let us know in the comments. What do you think about this new episode of Mission Impossible? Think it's real? Think it's fake? I even think that this is fake because it doesn't make sense. People would tell us that they've got a phone. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. And follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.